Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook sauteed shrimp with oyster sauce. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, the shrimp, and then butter, tomatoes, onions, garlic, spring onion, oil, and then butter. And then we're gonna saute the garlic. And saute the garlic. And then saute the onions. And then the tomatoes. Okay. Okay, guys. So saute the garlic, the onions, and then the tomatoes, and then the spring onions. Okay. Okay, and now we're gonna add the shrimp. Okay. It's yummy, guys. Sauce. Okay. Is the oyster sauce. I just add salt if we need it. It's super yummy now. Now we're gonna simmer this one, guys, for how many minutes until the shrimp becomes how do you call that color? Pink. Okay, so we're gonna cover first and simmer for makuha na ang color sa pasayan, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, it's already cooked, guys. Okay. Okay, that one is cooked already. Okay, we're gonna off the heat. Garnish it. That's our sauteed shrimp with oyster sauce, guys, and it's tasting time. Okay, so I wanna taste one only, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, look at this one. Oh, it's super yummy. It's yummy, guys, because the shrimp is not overcooked. It's super yummy. Okay. Okay, guys, that's our sauteed shrimp with oyster sauce. Okay, it's super yummy. Okay, so if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, DBroJa, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.